Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a custom QR code on black acrylic. So what you saw there was just, I have a big piece of black acrylic that I purchased, so I am just cutting the size and shape of the keychain that they wanted. This was a sample one. I forgot the corners needed to be rounded, so I did it again. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna frame. I usually hit frame and then I'll just put my piece wherever the rectangle is. And then we're gonna go ahead and print that out. So they wanted a two-sided QR keychain. This is going to be the first side, and this is where we put the QR code, and the second side you're gonna see is going to have their store logo. If you have any questions about how to make these, please let me know in the comments, or if you have any interest in purchasing them, we have them in our Etsy shop, and we can provide that information for you as well. Thanks so much for watching.